Strap in because we're kicking off a high-energy countdown featuring the best tattoo machine kit for beginners and everything you need to know to choose your first setup. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tattoo machine kit for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit. This compact, cartridge-driven setup is designed to make first-timers feel confident from the first practice session. The body is lightweight and balanced, which reduces hand fatigue during longer runs and helps with steady line work on synthetic skin before moving to real skin. Cartridge system means fewer parts to assemble and fewer sterilization steps, which is a real win for beginners who want to focus on fundamentals rather than hardware maintenance. Inside the kit you typically find a dependable power supply, a foot pedal, a clip cord, a starter cartridge pack, practice skin, silicone grip covers, and a basic clip-on tube set. Motor is tuned for smoother starts and gentle ramp-up, so users can learn control without jerky movements that can translate into wonky lines. In practice, the adjustable needle depth and wide range of package cartridges let newcomers experiment with lining and shading gradually, while the kit keeps noise and vibration at a friendly level. The instruction manual often includes a straightforward troubleshooting section and a few practice layouts that help users visualize basic shapes like circles, ovals, and parallel lines. Kit's protective casing is a thoughtful touch, giving beginners a margin of safety when they're still learning how to hold the machine at the correct angle and distance from the skin. Longevity is also addressed through a durable metal core frame and a stable coil design that resists flex during long sessions. While the price point is accessible, the real value for newcomers comes from the immediate hands-on experience, being able to swap cartridges in seconds rather than resetting a whole rig and seeing progress in weeks rather than months. Many studios recommend starting with a single pass technique and focusing on skin stretch, grip pressure, and needle depth accuracy before mixing colors or trying more advanced shading. Paired to the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Wormhole Kit tends to be more beginner-friendly for cartridge transitions, with a softer learning curve and quicker cleanup, though the Dragonhawk can offer longer battery life and a broader accessory ecosystem for later expansion. At number 4, we have the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit. This version emphasizes ergonomic refinement and practical readiness for on-the-go learning. From the outset, the grip profile is designed to be forgiving to beginner's grip, with contours that reduce hand fatigue during long practice sessions and a balanced weight distribution that helps stabilize motion when drawing basic outlines and soft shading. The kit typically includes interchangeable needle cartridges, a reliable power supply, a compact clip cord, a sturdy foot pedal, practice skin, and protective tubing sets for safe experimentation. You will notice the cartridge-driven design simplifies cleanup and makes sterile needle changes straightforward, which is critical for anyone who wants to stay focused on technique rather than tools. System supports a range of cartridge types that let you progress from tight lining to broader curves with consistent performance across sessions. A well-documented guidebook rounds out the package, with beginner exercises such as circles, straight lines, and simple letter forms to help build muscle memory. Noise reduction features and vibration dampening contribute to a calmer practice environment, especially for first-timers who may be sensitive to feedback from the machine. Durability is addressed through metal hardware and a robust housing that can withstand daily practice. The overall value lies in its approachable setup, dependable performance, and the chance to compare results side by side with other kits in your learning journey. Compared to the Formimo Tattoo Stencil Printer, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this Wormhole Kit is more about hands-on tattooing practice than design prep, and the cartridge ecosystem makes cleanup faster and transitions between practice tasks smoother. At number 3, we have the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit. This third variant places emphasis on cordless freedom, offering a wireless operation that unlocks greater maneuverability during practice on flat, curved, and hard-to-reach areas. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, the unit travels with a compact charging option and a minimal cord footprint, letting you work away from the desk and still maintain consistent performance. Cordless design does not compromise stability. The core frame remains rigid, dampening unwanted wobble and preserving line consistency during longer sessions. Features typically include adjustable needle depth, a port for easy cleaning, and a complete set of compatible cartridge needles that accommodate beginner to mid-level shading tasks. The kit often bundles a travel case, extra tubing, and a spare grip to tailor the feel to your hand size and technique. Beginners appreciate the straightforward startup procedure and the ability to practice clean outlines, bold lines, and progressive shading without the fuss of wired setups. Comprehensive starter guide is included, with step-by-step drills that translate into muscle memory after multiple sessions. Many new artists find the cordless option liberating as they practice on different skin surfaces and experiment with pressure and angle. Compared to the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, this wireless version removes the tether and expands your practice space, though it generally requires mindful charging schedules to avoid interruptions mid-session. At number 2, we have the Fomimo Tattoo Stencil Printer. Designed to complement the tattoo practice routine, this compact device excels at transferring tattoo designs onto stencil paper with crisp lines and clear, scalable outlines. Stencil Printer connects to smartphones via Bluetooth and integrates with common design apps, making it simple to tweak scale, line weight, and symmetry before you begin tattooing. Portability is a major plus. Unit is light, runs on a small battery, and can fit in a travel bag, which makes it ideal for off-site practice sessions or studio warm-ups. The resulting stencils save time, reduce errors, and help beginners visualize proportions and spacing on the skin prior to inking. User experience is enhanced by straightforward print settings, quick transfer methods, and a forgiving learning curve that encourages experimentation with line weight and negative space. Compatibility with popular stencil papers ensures most beginners can start right away without hunting for unusual supplies. The printer's quiet operation and low maintenance fit well into home studios or small spaces where focus and consistency matter. Compared to the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the stencil printer is a planning tool rather than a direct instrument for tattooing, enabling you to map out shapes and practice layouts before touching skin. At number 1, we have the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. This all-in-one kit is built for beginners who want a robust, reliable, and extensible setup as they progress. The cordless design frees your hand from cords, and a removable battery pack provides a practical range to practice across a table or at a makeshift workstation. Included are multiple tube sets, a selection of standard power supplies, a durable carry case, spare parts for quick field swaps, and a beginner-friendly manual that emphasizes safe handling and basic control. The engine is engineered for smooth, consistent runs with moderate noise and low vibration, which helps new artists concentrate on needle depth and wrist movement rather than fighting the motor. The broad ecosystem, the L3 supports a range of cartridge types and has compatibility with future upgrades, making it easy to upgrade brushes, tubes, and grips as skills grow. Starter content focuses on fundamental techniques such as straight lines, curves, basic shading, and a gentle introduction to color packing by layering. Durability and value are clear selling points here, especially for those who anticipate continuing their journey into more complex styles. Compared to the Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Dragonhawk L3 brings longer battery life and a wider accessory lineup that can scale with a learner into more ambitious projects and more ambitious shading work.